M0FXB, welcome to my channel. Thought I'd do my review of the Ailunce HD-1. This is the GPS model and it does do APRS. You can see it now, it's using my open spot at the moment. I just turn it up.
Hey Roger, what's the, yeah, okay Roger. I copied about the earthquake, I copied, I know. It's not nice, of course. Okay, temperature for your indication.
So as you can see, it sounds very nice. And it's a very nice design, this radio. It does remind me of Motorola. It's got a keypad, it's a DTMF keypad. One of the big appeals for me is the color screen. I really do like, the color screen. On receive, you get this nice big green display. And when you're not receiving, if you just change to a different band, here you get this blue screen where the tile goes up and down like so. It is a dual band VHF UHF radio. The GPS is a tiny little planet here. It's hard to see. Tiny little planet with a red line there at the moment. When the red line vanishes, you've got a lock. It has a very nice large battery which just clips up here at the back and just comes off very easily. You do have that sort of Motorola type connection there with the screw and it comes off, but you soon get used to it. And the charging leads, if you're lucky, you'll get one with it like I did. But if not, they're about £10. I got this one on promotion Amazon for £137 and it included postage, delivery, shipping, tax and the charging leads. I was very pleased with that. Has a nice PTT and a couple of programmable buttons here and a very big LED. And I like these blue lines on the channel change and the volume control. So you've got a proper channel changer and volume control. The radio does talk to you.
2021220.
Now from a menu structure point of view, let's just show you the menu structure. The main menu is, if you hit, let's go to the A section. The other thing you can actually select is to make one section be a clock. There you are, there's a clock with a date. If you want VFO mode, just press exit.
Frequency mode.
It's a bit like a bowphone. You press exit, that's frequency mode. Press it again. Channel mode, which is memory mode. So it's VFO
mode.
memory.
Channel
And you can
mode
program
1.
everything from the radio, no problem at all. You just go menu once, go down to band A set, select menu again, and then you just go down through and set everything that you would configure for, depending on the mode you're on. So at the moment we're on DMR mode, so you would configure DMR settings. If you hold down X, if you go into VFO mode, then hold down exit. That's DMR mode. Hold it down again. That's FM analog mode for your local repeater. So that's very good. So if we go back into channel mode.
Channel mode 1.
And we'll go menu. Quickly look down the menu. So you push it once and you get these selections. So band A and B set, messages, call log, contacts, your DMR number. You have the option to be a FM radio. Yeah, I'll just back out that. GPS. If you've got a lock, you'll get GPS local information when there's a lock. Back out of that. And someone can actually send you their location. As long as you're on the same frequency, DMR, and they TX their GPS location, you'll receive it. I've been testing that on a different radio and it works fine. And messages with DMR as well. And the version of firmware I've got is 1.79, which is November 2022, and it works. So if you hit the menu button again, then again you get a new selection of settings. Squelch, save, A/B time. That's sort of if you're on dual receive, how long it's listening to the B section. Voice on off. I'm not really sure what voice means. I'll have to test that. Zone name, yeah, you can either display the zone name or the channel name. Vox delay, mic gain, which works. I've tested the mic gain. I've got mine on about number 8, so you do need a good mic gain. Hang up, TX channel, backlight, which you can have continuous. Key beep, you can hear that. Channel mode again, on the screen you can have VFO channel. Scan mode, save channel, delete, time, noise tail, back. Cancel. So overall, I think it's a very good radio. It's well priced. It's a good alternative to things like the MD380 UV. Now, when it comes to Anytone 878, which is probably Anytone 878 is probably the radio I would recommend. I don't know, the screen appeal is different because you can customize the screen on the 878. With this one, it is what it is, you know, but it's very nice, very solid feeling radio, larger than the 878, taller, I would say. I'm enjoying both of them. So it's very hard to choose between the two because they're both such great fun. And DMR radios, there's a big learning curve to DMR anyway. You've got, you know, channels, frequencies, time slots, color codes, zones, contacts, talk groups. So it's a lot to take in with DMR. So there you go. Thought I'd show you this thing. My overall review is yes, definitely worth having one. £137. You get a second-hand one for probably under 100, and it's a lovely little toy. Do we need to have 5 DMR radios? Of course we don't. But then, you know, we're buying items that we're enjoying and having fun with. We don't have to need them. We're not buying shopping. This is a hobby, and we're buying items to enjoy. So there you are, and then they put it back onto the open spot.
3, 6.
See if that comes through. On the open spot there. No activity at the moment. But the open spot for this works great, very fast and easy to program. So 7.3, that's my review of the Ailunce HD-1. Bye for now.